Warning, this video is not for photosensitive people. If you have photosensitive epilepsy, now is your time to click off. Welcome back to another video, guys, where today I'm going to be testing out my gentex hearing impaired smoke detector. But first things first, safety first when pulling these earplugs. I'll just squeeze down with my fingers to make it fit better. Alright, ear protection in. Now I'm just gonna plug this in and it'll I already have it set to test on the knob. It'll activate in like 5 seconds. And it is bright. Oh yeah. If you have I can tell it's gonna be really loud for you guys. Let me just deactivate it. I should have said this before I activated it, but if you have photosensitive epilepsy, do not watch this video. Because there is a flashing light. It's a strobe. So if you're photosensitive, please click off. Because I don't want you having a seizure. I don't want anything bad to happen to anyone. So if you're photosensitive, click off now. And this is where I'm going to set to normal when we're plugged in. Without battery. Without a battery. There's a smoke detector right there. You can see it is turned on. It's going to chirp. Like that. Just chirps. Endlessly. But that's it for this video. I hope you liked my new smoke detector. And if you don't, then pretend it's like a big metal ball, and the smoke detector is you. You don't have to like the video or not. Bye.